Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking a look at the Cannoli C16, a 3-in-1 juicer. And honestly, this thing surprised me a ton. So let's open up the box, test it out, and see how it works. There's all the instructions. Some recipes as well. Quick start guide. Comes with. Here are all the items to put together to assemble it. So yeah, let's go put this together, test it out, and see how it works. Right out of the box, this juicer looks premium with a sleek modern design and a space gray finish that matches the rest of my appliances. And everything is BPA free, which is always a win. It features a 6-inch extra wide feed chute, which means you don't have to constantly chop up a whole fruit, for example, and you can just drop it in with no issues, but depending on the item. This helps to make juicing feel way less like a chore. And one thing I love about it is just how quiet the motor is. It runs at about 35 decibels, which is quieter than most juicers on the market. And its brushless AC motor is built for efficiency and long-term durability. You can feel the torque when it's working through harder produce, and it never strains or bogs down. The motor itself is also backed by a 15-year warranty, which does say a lot by how confident they are in the build. It's also basically a 3-in-1 system, so not only do you get a juicer, but it comes with a sorbet strainer for frozen fruit desserts, and a nut milk strainer for things like almond milk or cashew milk. Cleaning is usually the part that everyone hates about juicers, but this one is genuinely easy. The parts come apart quickly, and they're all dishwasher safe, and because the chute is so wide, there's less pulp buildup inside of it. And this is able to slide off for easier cleaning as well, so you can get right down to the dirty bits. It also has an auto reverse function, so if anything ever gets stuck, you just tap the reverse button and it clears itself, making things more convenient. The hopper is also 90 ounces, so if you like to batch juice or prep for the next couple of days, that capacity makes a huge difference. You can load up a ton of produce at once and just let it run. So the Cannoli C16 is the perfect device for anyone who wants high-yield juice with minimal prep and premium performance. So if you're serious about juicing and want a multifunction appliance, then definitely check out the Cannoli C16 juicer today. And you guys can also take a look at it in the link in the description below. See you guys on the next one.